Hey guys, thanks for 70 subscribers. Today I'm going to be giving away stuff. Yeah, I know I sold a bunch of it to upgrade my armor cuz my armor is actually pretty OP. So, it's time to give away some stuff.
I'm
Giving
confused.
away gear,
What is going on with my computer?
giving away stuff. First
Yo, bro,
3
where you at?
people to trade me get stuff. Yeah, and we haven't grinding, by the way. We haven't been grinding, so she's still like this. She does a ton of damage.
Yes, I do.
Give away stuff. First 3 people to trade me get stuff. No, don't. You already get stuff. Hi. Hi.
I can't find you.
Want stuff?
My computer is lagging. Not that much.
Oh, I just get stuff. Alright, let's see. Let's give him.
Okay, I need to go players to see
Let's
if
give
there's
him
any people
warrior
who I
chestplate,
who are joining. Okay,
guardian,
one is a
and
week.
mage. Accept. There you go, buddy. Have a good time. See who I'm gonna give my ground slam to. Oh yeah, sister. I have a really good spell for you. This does not count as the giveaway though, guys. No problem. No problem, my dude.
I have so much.
Ah, wait. I want. Oh, I've.
Ooh, elemented his staff.
Yeah, I gave that to you.
Ooh. It's
Yep.
good, but not as good as my the thing that I got right now.
How did you even get
With YouTube.
that? Except.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, you can duel these. That's why it's better than Skull of Flames, I'm pretty sure.
At least more.
Trade. Except.
Oh, sorry.
Another one. Except.
Ooh, 100 layers of steel wall.
Except.
Just
Stop looking at YouTube.
I'm watching YouTube because
If
I
you want
need
stuff,
personally.
trade me. 2 more people. Before I stop giving away. If you want stuff, trade me. 2 more people before I stop giving away.
Yo,
Aja, I'm sorry I
magma
had to give it
things?
to you. How did you
That
even?
looks sick.
Oh, I think I know how. I AFK canals from your private server. Maybe it gave you stuff too.
Okay, I'm gonna reset.
That would be cracked.
I'm gonna just change to warrior.
No, don't change the
Why?
warrior. You're mage, aren't you? Here, go test out the spells I just gave you. The Thunderous Blast. Equip them both.
Equip them both?
Yep, both of them.
Okay,
Go up.
where's
There's
the other
another one.
one?
It's right there. It's
Where?
green.
Oh.
You have so much green.
I know I have so much
It's at the
green.
top. It's at the top.
Where?
There it is. Alright, now equip it and let's come test your
I'm
damage.
lagging so much.
Let's come test your damage.
Okay, where we going?
Over here. Up here.
Where?
Let's go.
Oh, I think it's one. Oh, yeah.
Hi, you want stuff?
Yo, a million.
Oops.
Yo. He thinks you're a scammer, dude. This dude thinks you're a scammer.
Who?
This dude probably thinks you're a scammer.
Well, okay, I'm gonna give him dual phantom daggers. Oh, wow. Crimson Crest, that looks sick. And the magic trident. Alright, let's see your damage.
Oh my god.
Come over here. Sister,
I already tested it.
show me.
Screw you.
How much? Do that again. 1,000,000. And then
He's he's
no, sorry.
dude.
With 70 subs. I checked.
Yo.
Let's see who wants stuff.
I just remembered that.
Oh, Nihi! Nihi gets stuff. Let's give him Hunter's
I just
Mage
remembered.
and a Industrial Guardian
I just
helmet and a
remembered
Bile-Forged
that
Greatsword.
we have to film the
Nihi, it's free.
telepathy challenge. Wow, I'm so forgetful.
Seems he could be mage, so I'm gonna give him mage stuff. There you go. I'll just accept. I'll take a Starfall.
Roll a throwing knife correctly. Like seriously, and how can you not throw tomahawk? Like seriously, people, it's easy.
Free. Take that out. Take that out. Hee. Take it out. Take it out. This is free.
Okay, where are you? Sorry,
Where's Nihi? I need to go find him. You go tell him it's free. Where is he? I need to tell him it's free.
Dude.
Where is he?
I don't know.
He traded me. Where is he? Where is he? Find Nihi.
I'm trying to find him.
Find him. I need to tell him it's free. Draco, Super, this boy. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go, Nihi. There you go, my dude. There you go. Alright, giveaway over, guys. I guess I'll carry my sister once. I will create a dungeon. King's Castle. Nightmare, insane hardcore. Join me, sister.
There we go.
And start. I think your Skull of Flames is stronger than your... Use Innervate and Skull of Flames and show everybody your power of 8 million damage. We didn't test Firebomb, and Firebomb's supposed to be really good. Here, let me just equip my arrow reins.
I'm kind of glitching out, so...
Go to your inventory. Don't start. Go to your inventory.
Yep.
Equip Innervate.
What?
Innervate.
Why
It's
did
a spell.
you start it?
Because I'm gonna go ahead.
Where's the innervate?
Just don't move forward. Don't move forward. Okay. Innervate's a blue thing with it's right there. There it is. You just it's the purple item. That. Yeah. Now go for Firebomb. Firebomb as well. Go get Firebomb. It's obvious. It's literally there it is.
I know.
You okay, let's go see. Okay, use E and then Q when you're at these guys. Here, let me just lower them here. E and then Q!
I tried to press Q, my stupid computer's being a jerk!
You didn't have shift lock on. You were in your inventory!
I wasn't in my inventory, I was just leveling up right now.
Oh. You don't level up in the middle of battle, you wait until you've killed everything. Okay. Stop yelling!
You're the one who was making me yell.
Well, it seems we are fighting.
Yes.
And since you said that, I'm literally gonna... I don't know what I'll do. Whee. Ow. Lag. Be gone. Ah. Okay, he died. Good.
This dude literally cannot destroy steel.
Go. Click.
Dude, I can destroy that steel easily if I have the right.
Why are you watching YT during a making of a YT?
Because I can, and because it's a YouTube section.
Okay. Oh gosh, lag. Alright. Ow. No armor for the boss! Luigi! Okay. Go this way. Got him. I only do 2 mil. Oh gosh. No! Ah! I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to kill the king. Run!
Yo, if I
Escape.
had the right weapons, I could destroy that steel wall in a second.
Keep
Probably
running!
2 minutes.
Keep on running! Yeah, we got him. No armor. Yeah.
Dude!
Whee!
Yo!
Did you just get a blue one?
Yeah!
You're so lucky I have $80 million. Guys, it's the end of this giveaway vid. See you guys later.
Yeah.
Bye.